morning, students. Yesterday we are taught the statics chapters and we are completed the 6 chapters. So in Maths 1 there is only one chapter is remains, and that is the finance planning. Today we are going to start finance planning. So let me start finance planning. So what is finance planning? So first we want to see the GST. GST means what? GST means goods and service tax. Okay, you are all here in the market. GST. Not only in market but in your house also. Your parents are talking that due to GST all goods are become so costly. But whether that is correct or wrong, that can be you understand when you taught GST chapters. Okay. So first you may remember GST means what? GST means the goods and service tax, because they are given GST dash dash means what? GST means goods and service tax. So before start GST in India, they are having so many different types of taxes. There are 17 different tax in India, and each state tax are different from each others. Maharashtra tax different, Gujarat tax different, Assam tax different, Karnataka different. Means each and every state there is the taxes are different tables. So one nation, one tax. Due to that concept, GST is coming in India. So what is the main purpose of GST? Is that one nation, one tax. So some of the students are thinking that one nation, one tax, why it is important? Because if you are living in Maharashtra and if you are going to the Rajasthan, then there is the tax are totally different. How much is the tax? We don't know. So there is problem in our export and import business. So there is so many problem in business due to the different taxes in India. So they are make one nation one tax, that is the GST. So before GST, which tax having in India? So before GST there is a excise duties having in India. Means suppose you are buy something from international level, then you must be give tax, that is called excise duty or custom duties also. Custom duties there. Excise duty. Custom duty means suppose you are buy something, then you must be paid tax, that is called custom duty. Then VAT is there. After there is VAT. Means suppose you are purchasing steel, then on steel they are having I think 12.5% VAT on steel. If you are purchasing plastic, tag VAT is different. So each and everything goods there is a VAT is calculated different. So this is the VAT. Then entertainment tax. Entertainment tax means suppose you are watching a TV in your house with help of cable, then that cables you must be paid the entertainment tax. And suppose you are going to watch movie with your family or with your friends, then you must be give the entertainment tax. Suppose the movie ticket is 150 rupees, then entertainment tax 20, so it is 170 rupees is the movie tax. So that is movie tickets. So that is entertainment tax, that is called entertainment tax. Then central sale tax. So central sale tax means you are sell anything you are sell, then you must be paid tax, that is called central sale tax. Then another is the service tax. See how many taxes are there. Another service tax. Suppose someone is giving you service, then you are must be paid the service tax. For example, I will explain you. Suppose you are going in hotel and you are order something to eat, then that hotel are giving you all the your requirement on your table, at your table they are giving all requirement at your table. If you are say I want to lunch, then they are provide lunch on your table. You are said I want to Sprite to drinks, then they are also provided Sprite to your table. So whatever you want, that all things you are get at your table, so you must be give service tax to the hotel. Then each and every field there is a service tax. Another example I am saying, you are admit in hospital. Suppose you are admit in hospital, then hospital doctor give you treatment, that treatment fees you are paid. But in hospital they are having the ward boy there or Aya is there for cleaning the hospitals. So they are giving you clean and neat service in toilet, bathroom, and you at your in your room of hospital. So you must be give the service tax to the hospital for their payments. So that is called as the service tax. Then octree is there, means octra. Octra example, suppose you are purchasing a big TV from Mumbai and you are coming in Panvel. Then at bond entry of Panvel, you must be give tax, that is called as octra tax. So this situation is having in Panvel, not only in Panvel but all over in nations. They are having the octra tax. Means you are buying something, you must be paid octra. Suppose simple example another. So you are in Panvel, you know there is a big market, vegetable market in Panvel, and all of the persons are visited there for purchasing the vegetables. So when you purchase these vegetables and come out from the gate, then there is a cabin. In that cabin, that person is asked to you how much you are purchases, whatever be the amount of purchasing. So you are said I am purchasing 100,000 rupees vegetables. Then they are giving you must be paid on 1,000 rupees octra tax. So such a way there are 17 different types of taxes, and due to that taxes all peoples are very burden in taxes. So remove their burden where they are taken one nation one tax, and that is the GST. So the GST is started in India 1st July 2017. So that is the important things you must be remember, that GST is in effect from dash dash. If they are asking fill in the blanks, GST is in effect from dash dash 1st July 2017. 1st July 2017. Okay. So GST how made of? GST is equal to CGST and HGST. So GST I already explained the long form of GST. So the long form of GST is good service taxes. Good service taxes. This is the GST. So GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. So how GST is made of? GST is made of CGST plus HGST. Central Good Service Tax. This is called CGST. C for central, G for goods, S for service, T for tax. Central Goods Service Tax, CGST. Plus HGST, State Good Service Tax, that is HGST. State Good Service Tax. So CGST and HGST both are same, equal. So if you want to find out CGST or HGST, you can write GST divided by 2. Do you understand it? So the GSTN has 15 alphanumerical number. Means when you are registered for GST, then your work over yearly annum is 25 lakhs. So whose yearly annum is 25 lakhs, that person purchase, that person's registered GST. So that is called registered GST is called GSTN. So that GSTN having 15 alphanumerics. The 10 digit is the PAN. 10 digits is the PAN of the dealer. So see, I will show you example of GSTN. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Such a way this GST having 15 alphanumerics. So in 15 alphanumerics, this 27 indicated the first two numbers. That first two numbers indicate state. First two number indicate states. See, the first two numbers they are indicated the states. So whatever they indicate, that can be written here. So these first two numbers that indicate the state. So here is 27, right? Because 27 is the number of Maharashtra. It is number of Maharashtra. So all of you remember in GST, this number, first two number indicates state. We are belong to Maharashtra, so we are taken 27 because that is indicate state, and that state is Maharashtra. After these two numbers, there is the 10 numbers. That 10 numbers indicate pan, and after this 10 and these two 12. So this 13 number indicate registration number. 13 number indicate registration number. 14 is uniform for all. This is having in all state, all GSTians, that is same, so it is uniform. And last 15 number indicated the validity of GST. Validity means how many years this number is valid for you. So that validity is indicated this number. Another way in simple language, we are called expiry of this. We are going to start practice set 4.1. Problem number 1. Pawan Medical supplies medicine. On some medicine, the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and HGST? So all of my students, you must know that CGST and HGST both are equal. Means CGST and HGST is equal to what? So CGST and HGST is equal to GST divided by 2. You must remember that CGST and HGST, they are equal, same, but CGST is equal to HGST is equal to GST divided by 2. So you are remember that half of GST is equal to CGST is equal to HGST. Is that clear? So suppose GST is the 20%. So CGST and HGST 10. GST is the 16%. CGST and HGST 8. Are you understand? So you are doing half. So I am solve this problem. What is given here? The rate of GST is 12%. So here is written the rate of GST is 12%. So what I want to find out? I want to find out CGST. So the rate of CGST is equal to GST divided by 2. See, the rate of CGST is equal to GST divided by 2. GST 12. So 12 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12. So you are get 6%. Okay. So you are get 6%. So this is CGST. Are you understand how can find out CGST? CGST is equal to GST divided by 2. GST is 12. 12 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12. So 6 is the CGST. Then HGST. The rate of HGST. Rate of HGST is equal to 12 upon 2. Rate of HGST is equal to 12 upon 2. GST upon 2. So 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12. So HGST is equal to also 6. So remember that CGST and HGST both are equal. So that is 6 and 6. So CGST is equal to 6. HGST is equal to 6. Then we are going to see problem number 2. On certain articles, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of HGST? So in the last problem, I already explained you that CGST is equal to HGST. So whatever be the CGST, that is HGST. Suppose CGST 5, HGST 5. CGST 10, HGST 10. CGST 8, HGST 8. CGST 9, HGST 9. Okay, such a way. So what they want? HGST. So HGST is equal to what? CGST. What is CGST? 9. So what is HGST? 9. Then they are at what is the rate of GST? So all of my clever students remember that GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. Are you understand what I say to you? GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. See, here is written rate of HGST is equal to rate of CGST. So rate of CGST is equal to 9%. So rate of HGST is equal to CGST is 9% and HGST is also 9%. The rate of GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. The rate of GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. So CGST 9%, HGST 9%. So 9 plus 9, how many 9 plus 9? 18. So 18% is the GST. Hello. If anyone doubt, I will explain it. See, remember that all of my students, whatever be the CGST, that is equal to HGST. So if CGST is 9%, then HGST is also 9%. Then what they want to find out? They want to find out GST. So what is the formula for GST? Formula for GST is equal to HGST plus CGST. HGST 9, CGST 9. 9 plus 9, 18%. Is that clear? Then problem number 3rd. MS Real Paint sold 2 tin of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 2800. So one tin value is 2800. How much tin he purchased? 2 tin he purchased. So you can find out taxable amount of 2 tins. Okay, one is 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, if the rate of GST is 28%, then find out amount of CGST and HGST. Then find the amount of CGST and HGST. Okay, so first what you are given, that is written here, the rate of luster paint 2800, 1 tin. Okay, 2800. Then quantity 2. So here is written quantity 2. Taxable amount, here is written taxable amount. Taxable amount is equal to 2800 into 2. Why 2800? 2800 is the taxable amount of 1 tin. Okay, is the taxable amount of 1 tin. So how many tin he purchased? 2 tin he purchased. So 2800 into 2. 200, 200, 2 8 are 16, 6, 1, 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 5. So taxable amount 5600. Okay, taxable amount 5600. So you want to find out CGST. Here is you want to find out CGST and HGST. So here is right, CGST is equal to HGST. CGST is equal to HGST is equal to GST divided by 2. Okay, so CGST is equal to HGST is equal to GST divided by 2. 1 half into GST 28. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 14% is the CGST, 14% is the CGST and 14% is the HGST. Then we are going CGST is equal to the rate of CGST into taxable amount. So CGST is 14% into taxable amount 5600. So 14 upon 100, 14 upon 100 into 2 tin, taxable value 5600. This 20 cancel. Or if you are not doing cancel, then what can we get? Just see. I am showing you this 20 and this 20 cancel. 14 6 are 84. 4 carries 8. 14 5 are 70. 17. 14 5 are 70. 70 plus what? 8. 70 plus 8, 78. So 784. Anyone is puzzled? Then see, this 20 cancel. Okay, what is remain? 56. What is remain? 14. 14 6 are 84. 4 8 carries. 14 5 are 70. 70 plus 8, 78. So 784 rupees is the HGST. Last problem. The taxable value of wristwatch belt is 586. The rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of belt for the customer? Wristwatch, you know the watch म्हणजे घड्याळ. So wristwatch belt म्हणजे घड्याळाचा पट्टा. Okay, so that wristwatch belt price is 586 and whatever be the GST 18%. So you can find out GST. So see, the rate of GST is equal to 18%. is equal to GST on bill price 580, GST on the bill price 586, GST on the bill price 586, 18% GST, so 18 upon 100, 18% GST, so 18 upon 100 into 586, so 18 into 586 you get 10,548. So there is a 1 having 2 0, so 2 decimal point back 1 2, so GST is 105 rupees 48 paisa is the GST. So price for customer is equal to, the price for customer is equal to GST plus taxable amount. So here is written taxable amount plus GST. Taxable amount 586 plus GST 105.48. 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 1 6, 691.48. This is the price paid by the customer. I hope that all of my students you are understand these problems what I taught to you. So whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of homework. So I am giving you homework to solve this homework and send to me on my WhatsApp number. If you are already subscribed channel, then like this video, and if till you are not subscribed the channel, you subscribe the channel, and if you are subscribed the channel, then share this video with your friends and say to them subscribe this channel and like this channel. Stay home, stay safe and study hard because your exam can be taken at 1 March. Remember that exam is not cancelled, so you study hard. Bye.